support a candidate who challenges the institution he aspires to lead. I would like to thank all the members of the Ugandan Society who have supported my campaign. About this office, without fear of favor, email, violence, sarcasm, or a demand for ignorance. He said that no dog in the place, but he had a million shillings to give. Number two, that kind of standing alone and standing out is the perfect